What's going on YouTube? I'm Nicariel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the trades that I've taken to be profitable in these markets. And it's going to be about over a week or so. So, maybe not the best or longest time frame. It's going to be a mix between the trade I've taken on my live funded account and the trades that I've taken on my paper account. So right now on my TraderVate account, right now I'm up $400, $407. So I'm doing pretty good. And on my paper account, if we can go to that, let me show y'all. I'm up. I actually have two accounts right now. One account I've been growing since 2,500. It's sitting at 5K right now. And the beauty with this is I can actually show y'all the profitability right now. You know what I'm saying? Which is, I can actually show y'all that. And the other one here, I can also show you the profitability. This one here started at 10K and it's sitting at 16,490. So it's actually doing pretty good, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? I'm overall profitable. I have a few break-even situations, a few losses here and there, but overall I'm very profitable on this with my strategy, and it's just been working out for me. You know what I'm saying? It's just really just been working out for me. I hold my trades. Whenever I get into a trade, I hold it to my TP, or just whenever I even feel out getting out of the trade is when I get out the trade. So I mean, this is just my overall profitable strategy, and I've been going over it. I've been giving y'all the keys for it. If you want to use it in your own strategy, then you can do that. If you want to take some pieces out of it and put that in your own strategy, I had a few people that I'm in cahoots with that did some of that. They might just extend their stop loss a bit more so that they have a lot more wiggle room for their trade, or they might hold it to the next level and buy again. They kind of put different aspects of my trading strategy, which is, I think, an overall 100% trading strategy. If you hold your trade long enough, you will eventually see a bounce or some sort of rejection, to where you can roll out of a losing trade or get out break even. As long as you got the right level set and you got the proper risk management in place, it's going to be very hard for you to lose, but it's going to be really easy for you to grow and maintain profits. So this right here was literally a trade that I took this morning, actually overnight. I actually placed my trades around 5 to 6 for futures. Markets closed at 410, and then they open back up around 5 or 6. So after that time, around 5 or 6, I'm looking for trades to get into, so that way I have an extended period to where I can manage the trade, and the trade has time to run and do what it needs to do, so that I'm not just placing the trade when I first wake up, and by 4:10 I'm already done. Like, the markets is already closed. I'm out of that position. I gotta wait till markets open back up again to place that trade. So I like to wait for markets to open back up at 4, 5, 6, place my trade. So now I got that whole day and that whole night and that whole day the next day for it to do what it needs to do. So by the time I usually wake up, I done made some money in my sleep, or maybe my stop loss and got hit, or I can easily manage that trade. You know what I'm saying? That's just how I trade. By the time I wake up, I've already made my money for the day, and I don't even have to trade, to be honest with you. I have a whole day to do whatever I want to do, and you know what I'm saying? That's just like the beauty of it. So right here is a trade that I took. Boom. As you can see, I got in here, ended up actually adding in right here. So when I had an alert set right here, I have 2 alerts set. I have one here, maybe 1 or 2 alerts set right here in the buy limit order, just in case the price drops to that level, and then I can get in right here. And then I also have a sell limit order if I'm going long, where I can get out automatically, right? So you know what I'm saying, that happens to that plenty of cases. Just like here, got into the trade right here, I think, or was it around here? I really can't remember. I've probably been messing around with this a little bit, but got into the trade around here, and market pushed up on me, came back down, probably got in again. I believe I bought in again right here. This must have been on my paper account, because it's not showing any live. Like, hold on, let me switch to my crypto. Yeah, here we go. So I got in right here. As you can see, I got in right here, and then it pushed down and almost went to my take profit, but fell right back down. Ended up getting again at a lower price, and then pushed all the way back up. And then I sold 2 positions for I think around $400 or $500, which is real good. I mean, nice bump in the profits. You know what I'm saying? If I were to look at my profits for this account right here, for really both of them, you would see, I mean, just a steady incline. You know, just a steady incline to the skies, and that's just what you want to see when you trading. You know what I'm saying? Like, just I've been on a crazy win streak, as you can see right here. This trade right here was an almost $1,000 trade for 6E1. This one right here, ES1, MES1, 6A, 6B. I've really been clearing my trades, but whenever I place a trade on here, I usually also had a trade set on my live funded on my live account too. So it's just like I can easily manage my paper trade, and I can manage I have the same trades is set. So what you see here is likely, except this trade right here, what you see, all of this is definitely me going in on my live account too and doing the same thing. So ES1, let me see here. ES1, do I have one for ES1? I believe it was this. I took a sell right here, ended up getting out. That's the most recent trade that I've taken. Was taking a sell here, and I don't usually use any technicals. As you can see, I may use a line here or there, but I'm not usually using any technicals, any crazy technicals. I'm just going along with what price action is showing me. 6B1, let me see here. Yeah, we just looked at that one. 6A was one of, if y'all know, this is one of my favorites right here. Took this trade also on my live account. If I can switch, I'm gonna have to go to the broker shit again. Let me, god damn, it's gonna make me log in again. Yeah, I ain't even trying to do all that right now. But yeah, if I do that, it's gonna have to make me log in again. I ain't trying to do all that. But yeah, this again, the same trades that I placed on this Lil D account is the ones that I take on my live too. So what y'all see here is what's going on over there. So yeah, I took this trade here, got into a long, dipped down a little bit, but ended up overall skyrocketing again. 12:45, I think. Let me see, this is military time, so 12, 11, so around 8 a.m. Yeah, around 8 a.m. or 7 or 8 a.m. I was already out the trade. I had just woken up. Boom, I'm already out of the trade. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing good. And as a matter of fact, if y'all just go to my live, if y'all go to my Instagram channel, y'all can clearly see that I be posting these P&Ls, man. Like, look at this one here. I think this is the one I just showed y'all. Boom. This one was 170. This one here was $55. This was on Ethereum. I can't trade Ethereum over the weekend, so I actually took this one on my paper. I don't usually trade Ethereums over the weekends with my futures because I can't. If I could, I would, but I can't do it. So right here, this was just another trade that I took. As you can see, the risk management is varied. It's there. You know what I'm saying? It's there. And overall, boom, bouncing around. I hit my partners. I was like, hey man, once it got to this point, I was like, hey man, should I hold it? Should I sell? And they was like, you know what? Since it's making them higher highs or whatever, I think you should hold it. So I held it, and I'm like, you know what? Boom, it ended up working out. And then, so you know what I'm saying? That worked out there. This is another one of them trades that ended up working out. This was on Australian dollars. Boom. This one here, this one worked out too. This one right here, this is the one that I literally just took. So overall, you know what I'm saying? I'm very profitable. I believe I know I'm profitable actually. Because I've been doing this for a while, right? And this is me taking a trade on micro gold before I actually took that reset. Because I did reset my account not too long ago, and ever since then I've been doing really, really good, like better than I ever have been doing. You know, barely going to drawdown here and there, but yeah, here's the setup that I took on micro gold. I give out the plays, and then you know what I'm saying, I say alert is the entry. I got the alert right here at this level. If you can comprehend, if you can look at this and comprehend this and be like, yo, I know what he's looking at, I know what I'm looking at, and we both see the same thing, then you know what I'm saying, then hey, you can likely make some money on this. You know what I'm saying? You can make you some money on this. $89 took this trade by accident. It's not even letting me show it, but is what it is. Here it is on micro gold. That trade that I think I took, I don't think it's the same thing. I don't know. But yeah, 89 P&L right here. It ended up working out for $89, $90. This one right here was on TradeOvate. Again, same thing, same play. Got in here, had my alert set down here, and then I didn't even get to add into this one. But by the time I woke up, hey man, it ended up working out around 11 to 12 p.m. And I'm closing up that trade, 126 in profits, and it was all good. You know what I'm saying? It was really all good. So those are the trades that I've been taking on my TradeOvate, on my paper. I think y'all should really join my channel if y'all are like getting into trading or you need a reliable strategy, man. Join that, because listen, I'm going crazy over there, and it's really only a matter of time, right? I'm literally going crazy over there, man. And it's just me. It's literally just me against the world, you know. I plan on starting some shit for y'all soon, so that if y'all want a more like face-to-face kind of, you know, interaction where you want me to give y'all some real game and it's face-to-face and like, hey, this is how I do it and it's been working out for me, then boom, we can go with that. And I'm planning on working on that. I'm planning on getting that set up, you know, like a course type thing, you know what I'm saying, where people can come to me and be like, hey, yo, I need this, you know what I'm saying, I don't really understand how this really works. Can you break this down to me? And I'm like, you know what, for sure. I will for sure do that. And I already do that pretty much, you know what I'm saying, for free. I already do that for free, but you know, it's everything, you know, I just need some people to like understand that, you know, this is a really like, this game takes some time, you know, it takes experience, it takes discretion. Ain't no amount of YouTube videos that you gonna watch is gonna make you profitable. You need to gain experience and go in there with a paper account with a realistic balance and just forward test, back test, do what you got to do. You know what I'm saying? There's plenty of accounts that I've grown and from 10K to 2,500 to $500, $200, and they ended up going in profit. And you just need to work on your risk management. Everything is risk management. Doesn't matter what type of trading style or what type of strategy you use. It's all risk management, because markets is unpredictable. So you need to basically have good risk management, you know what I'm saying? But with that being said, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I'm gonna try and go live more, but the way I do this, it's kind of difficult for me to go live because I sort of have a swing trading approach. It's not really scalping, but it's all on a 15-minute time frame. And as you can see, I start these trades when the markets have just opened. It ain't even no volume in the markets. And you know what I'm saying, they ended up just working out. Like where is it at? Like this one right here. It ain't barely any volume in the markets, but they end up just working out. So it's kind of difficult for me to take this to the streaming world, because if it was in the morning for me, then yeah, boom, I could stream this and have it up by the day. But then markets would close on me about 4:10, so I wouldn't really have that much time to, you know, see the output that I want to see. But with this, I have all day, and I have all day, all night, and all day to see the type of trade that I want to see. And that's just the approach that I like. So if y'all want to see me go live during the evening, 5, 6, 7, which I think is a weird time for me to go live personally, but if y'all want to see that, then hey, we can see that, and we can do that. But yeah, without further ado, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all stay safe, and peace out.